wanna take you to my crib. I'ma get on top and show you how I live. Right here so good, you bet me not to stop. You're in and out, you're hitting on my spot. It's after hours, let's hop in the shower. Come stroke me with power. Hey, hey, let's make a move now. Just me and you. Hey, what's up? We about to get lit. Hey, and turn on. Hey, lit. And turn on. Inches. Inches for you. Cheers. Okay, listen, y'all. So, as you see on the title, my hairline, me, Abby Nicole, the Abby Nicole, the one and only Abby Nicole. Okay, so I'm here today showing you guys how I do my glueless wig method as far as my elastic bands that I created myself. If it's on YouTube, no, I didn't see it from nobody else. I created this by myself because my head is very, you know, sensitive to like tightness and tension. So that's that. And this is from my hairline shop, Abby Nicole. I am testing out, you know, a lot of different hairs that I want to be a part of my line and stuff like that, and 40 inch is definitely something I want to be a part of my line because it's just like so glamorous. Like, I feel so bad in this, and I know y'all would look so bad in it too. I don't know if this is gonna be like with the launch when I first launched my brand, but for sure this is a go for me at least. So with that being said, if you want to see how I made this wig glueless, how I laid it, how I slayed it, how I did this makeup, all of that, then please keep watching. Okay. You keep on calling my phone, niggas stop calling and leave me alone. Things changing, shit so different now. Wonder why I'm acting so distant now. Give me my space. It's Abby Nicole, nigga. You try to play. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Abby Nicole, and today I'm back at it again with another video. Look at my rings, aren't they cool? All right, you guys. So I just am comfortable in my onesie. I hub in my onesie. I bang in my onesie. Yo, my squeaky chair is so annoying. Like, I apologize for it, but there's nothing I can do about it. Because my other chair is too low. Anyways, we're going to get into slaying some 40. Ooh, my eye's getting red. No. Okay, so yeah, I have some 30-inch hair. I have some 40-inch hair, you guys, and this is so exciting. You guys know that I've been, well, if you didn't know, now you know that I low-key been working on my own hair brand. Yes, this is a 20-inch frontal because my silly ass forgot to ask or get a longer frontal. Anyways, so yes, this is 40-inch hair, and this is from my hairline that is coming soon. We are shooting the, like, you know, the pictures and stuff like that for the website and stuff. So I'm doing my own hair, so I'm excited. So basically it's 5 bundles of 40 inches. I'm not gonna give you guys pricing and stuff like that. I'm just gonna show you guys how I slay it or how I kind of finesse it because I'm low-key intimidated. So first, what I'm gonna do is change the knot color. The color of the knots is just not fond of me. You know, I like the knots to look natural, but then again, I don't bleach my knots anymore. So I'm just taking some of my ColourPop foundation, which that foundation is so bomb, and it is a little bit darker for me, and I do like to make my lace a little bit darker, like not the exact same foundation shade, because it does fade off. Like the foundation, once you put it on and once you start like laying the hair and stuff, it starts to fade off a little bit. So I don't mind that this is a little bit darker for me because gonna fade. So I'm applying it all over. Back on, I'm also gonna show you guys how I do my elastic band method so that it could be glueless if you want it to be. So we're gonna take this wig off. I'm gonna throw her on. Okay, listen. My ultimate goal with this hair is to get it as flat as I can. And the way I'm gonna do that, the same way we would take concealer to make the part whiter, we're gonna take eyebrow gel to make the part tighter. Like so. Oh man, look how long. Thumbnail. Alright, so now let's see how we're gonna get the wig to lay, because right now the tracks are like everywhere. It's not laying. So right now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, my wig head that's like size to my head is not with me right now. It's at my hairstylist Corolla's salon because I brought it there and I forgot to bring it back home. So that's the situation with that. So now that's why it's kind of like floating and not sitting well, but we're gonna make it sit well. So I'm pulling and seeing where I need to cut my earpiece out, because you guys know, if you didn't know, now you know, when you're laying your frontal, if you don't cut your ears out, it's like not gonna ever lay right. And don't overthink it, like just cut your ear out, boom. And then I'm gonna pull from this side and see where I need to cut as well. It's better to cut less than what you think you need. So in this case, you'll like find where your ears being stopped at, and then just, oh, I just cut hair, but that's hair that was gonna be cut off anyway. So alright you guys, so the elastic that I'm going to be using today is this elastic right here. Shout out to my stylist Corolla, because she put me onto this, because you know, glueless is the way, like glueless is the way. So I bought 3 packs of these from Walmart. These are 5 yards, and this is because, you know, I am going to be making wigs for people and I want to customize them. So each one was like 3 something, so I'm like, you know what, I might as well buy it. I bought 2, they're already done, so I had to re-up on that. So that's what we're gonna use. Now there's 2 ways you can do the elastic band method. Well, I made my own way. Y'all know I gotta do the Abby way and the other way. So Corolla's method is to go from here to here, or I guess the method that she showed me was to go from here to here and just have that one long band go around. But because I have a sensitive scalp, I mean a sensitive like head, like I get headaches very easy, I found that I like to do the stitching from here to here. That way the tension is just on here and not the whole circumference or perimeter of the back of my nape and my head. This makes me able to wear my wigs longer throughout the day and not snatch it off at night, and stuff like that. So I'm going to try and show you guys how I sew this on. So right now my natural hair is currently in a bun, or like a messy, so I just put it up real quick. And I'm going to take the elastic and I'm going to measure it from like here to right here. Enough for there to be tension pull. So if you want, and if your head isn't sensitive, you could go from here to here. But for me, I need to go from here to here. So that way all around here isn't pulling. From here to here, and then I'm going to cut where the mark is. This is my mark right here. So I'm going to cut right along that. And what you could do is fold it in half for both sides. So, cut right here. And then cut again. And now you have your 2 straps for each side. So now I have my needle and thread right here. And I'm now going to sew from point A to point B. So I'm going to show you guys that we would go from here. I'm going to sew it down. I like to sew it like a little bit higher than down here because it'll tear easier because of the tension. We're going to sew right here. We're going to start from the back so the knotting could be back there, and then we're just going to sew. You don't want to sew too tight so that it doesn't create like tension in the lace and then create a rippling and stuff like that in your lace. So now I'm done, and I'm going to loop it back through, make sure it makes a knot, and then we're going to cut and start the next stitch. Now the way this stitch is going to go, you could kind of see where the wig needs to be pulled down, you guys. So this, I wouldn't sew it right here. I'm going to pull it down here and sew it down here. You can cut this out if you want, this extra dome cap right here, but it's not bothering me, so I'm going to just take this and pull it down here. So that way it connects with this. Well, now actually I don't even need to cut the thread because it's already connecting. So in some cases you might need to cut the thread, in some cases you may not. So it's already connecting, so I'm just gonna bring that back down in here. I'm gonna sew in the dome cap just to get it away from the elastic, and then we're gonna sew right on the edges. Alright, so now the wig, as you can see, is sitting way flatter. It's over my ears. You see what I'm saying? That's how your wig's supposed to lay. Okay. As far as cutting the lace, I cut it as close as I can to the hairline on the lace, because you don't want to leave too much lace at all, because you're just going to see squares and it's just going to look like you're trying to force it to look like skin, when really all you have to do is pluck to get it to look like skin. I just made this pencil so well, and I'm just so proud of myself. No, I'm just kidding, my eyes tripping. Okay. Everything's snug, which it now is. So we need to set the hair in place, and what I mean by that is to get it as flat as possible. So I'm really going to the roots of the frontal and making sure that it's like the lap. I'm gonna fix my brows and get ready to do some maquillaje. So this is basically the finished look. I decided to do a nice kind of subtle eye with the pop of a brown lip. It is the fall season. Honestly, with this outfit, I'm not feeling the brown lip too much. I honestly would rather probably a nude lip or a red lip. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think the brown lip looks good? This isn't the watch I was complaining about on my story. This is my grandma's watch. It's too big for the both of us. But I bought us new ones, so that's that. But yes, you guys, this is the hair. Shop Abby Nicole hair, you guys. I am 5'8", 5'9", and it is like at my mid thigh. Okay, talk about inches for you. Listen. Okay, and then also I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of my new song with Chief J. It's called I.
Shot like a diamond with happy. Niggas say that they gon' clap me. I'm still living life like I'm laughing. I fuck with you, you cap.
I keep on saying I'ma stop me, but I can't. I keep on saying that these niggas wanna use me, but I stay. Why? I really don't know why. Boy, just leave me alone. Just let me sing this song. I'm having shit I never had. Can't leave my people home. Keep my name up out your mouth. I'm VIP Nicole. Drip, drop, fashion is my hip hop. Since I got new lip gloss, I'ma make some shit pop. Me and GJ out the day, throw it in their face. I'm the one you can't replace. Fast money, fast pace. Chief J, yeah.
You guys, this is a little more of a sneak peek to Shop Abby Nicole hair and what we're gonna have. I don't know if we're gonna launch this with like the launch that we're gonna do, like the first launch. I don't know if this is gonna be a part of it, but I definitely know that we are going to offer that eventually. But yeah, y'all, so that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.